He's already made interesting roles in the. That's the first ball, and I think it's going to be a good start for the Bengal Tigers.
Well, it's important to note, that since it's a short format, Sunil, the aggression and the body language of the players has to be kept in mind. It's not only a game of physicality anymore. It's a game of nerves, like you said earlier, and it's also a game of spirit. And all of these things do not actually go from strength to strength when you're playing in such hot conditions.
No, absolutely true. The first thing I would appreciate is coming in and bowling right on the target. That's the biggest strength in T10. I think they have really done the homework very well. If you look, oh wow, that's very close. He nearly hit the stumps, I think. It's a pressure. See, every ball, there's so much buzzing over in the 30-yard circle.
Almost, you got it.
Well, let's remind you once again that this is the CCL T10 Blast, which is powered by Bharti Cement, and the captain of the Bengal Tigers, Jay, had won the toss, and he had elected to bat and driven to the covers, but intercepted. Sunil, another question I wanted to ask you was that format to format, Test became one-day internationals. We had a 60-over game. Kerry Packer, brought in an entire different flavor to it. When the World Cup in '91 was held in coloured uniform. Then came, the T20 revolution. Is T10? I already know the answer to that, but I want to hear it from, a professional cricketer like you. Is T10 the next big thing? And we are actually at the cusp of this great format being a household name in the future.
I think it's going to be. Wait and watch, Vineet. See, I'm not, trying to, reduce the exciting format of the question, because as a professional, is it going to make it to the Olympics or a Commonwealth game T10? The lot of buzz is going around because we saw the Dubai tournament going through the T10. A lot of professionals and the international cricketers who were part of that team, they're advocating that T10 should be there in the. That's a great shot, and it's an equally. Stop. He certainly saved 4 runs for his team.
Right, that was the penultimate ball of this particular over. It's the first over, and going by the looks of it and going by the scoreboard, Sunil, they need to work harder. Solely keeping the format in mind. 3 is not a handy number that is going to make anybody in the dugout very, very comfortable. So the end of the first over. 3-0.
इधर सामने प्लेयर्स लिस्ट फोर्थ अंपायर है राम भरोसे आज फोर्थ अंपायर है राम भरोसे
Welcome back is the Bengal Tigers, who had won the toss and decided to bat. And it's the CCL T10 Blast, which is powered by Bharti Cement, and the scoreboard reads 3 for Zilch. But before we left, Sunil, we were talking about the fact that aggression from the word go is the need of the hour. And perhaps that is something, it being the first game, is negligible right now. What are the odds that the bowling side can, or the batting side perhaps, can face once the first innings is over?
I think we could see the aggressive shots which we were discussing in the first over, but hopefully we might see because since it's a spinner, so probably we might see some aggression batting, or maybe trying to clear. I think he has a long on fielder he has. So hopefully the batsman, the Tigers, should strike now for a big one.
Only 1 wicket.
Well,
Only this
absolutely.
wicket.
Well, Joy, the captain, maintaining a strike rate of 100, and Indrashish. Well, Joy has just come up with a lofty shot. Let's see who takes the catch, and dropped it. Well, that was a laddu, like we call it colloquially, but it was dropped.
They missed. Still they missed. They got a catch and they got a run out.
Well, this is what you call comedy of errors, but nevertheless a break.
T10 blast. He's into the picture. Situations like this.
Well, absolutely. One is supposed to learn from their mistakes, and they will make sure that they don't actually stump out the runner. Well, that's a good shot, but let's see where it's gone through. It's a catch, and once again, only have 60 balls to face.
Vinit, if you look at the format of the tournament, T10, that itself it's an attacking way of looking at for every batsman. Every ball he played, a dot ball, is going to add a pressure onto him.
Absolutely, and the best part for the Bengal Tigers is that their captain has Yusuf has just cracked a sixer, and this comes as a relief.
This was a clean hit, Vinit. I mean, he picked it up very nicely. Straight over long on.
Absolutely, and the good news for the Bengal team is that the captain, who seemed rather optimistic and positive about today's chances, is still on the field. But nevertheless, this clean shot was taken by Yusuf, and that definitely will give them a jump start, a boost. A shot in the arm, like they say, perhaps, Sunil.
I think we all need to wait and watch what Yusuf can do. Because the way he cracked the big one, he looks very strong and looks very solid.
Well, absolutely, and they could use a lot of solid. They had won the toss, the momentum was on their side, but a couple of hurdles, if I may call them. Well, that's another clean shot, and that's headed for the boundaries, and it is a boundary, so the over has been concluded by a boundary. 20 भी ना दे पाए. भविष्य की बात कर रहे हैं अभी हम. Nostradamus बनने की कोशिश करते हैं.
That's absolutely true, Vinit. I mean, the Joy looks very firm. I mean, that we saw the slog sweep from Ashok that went to the boundary. That's a big one. Joy, that's his responsibility, getting a boundary to the team. Tigers moves into 18. Few more balls to go in this over. 4 more to go before the power play finishes. That's a clean shot.
जी बिल्कुल क्लीन शॉट और एक आक्रामकता, एक एग्रेशन जो पहले 2 ओवर्स में दिखाई नहीं दिया सुनील, वो अब देखने को मिल रहा है. उसकी झलक अब दिखाई दे रही है और मुझे लगता है इसके बाद जो बैटिंग भी आने वाली है वो भी इससे सीख ले सकती है. It's exemplary at this point in time.
I think we need what happened in the first, second over. The interesting, I think the captain has made it mind clear that he needs to get his runs. I thought it was close to the wide. Just went over the wide line, Vinit.
That's exactly what I thought, but umpire's call and players' luck.
You're not the umpire, I'm not the umpire, I'm not the bowler, you're not the bowler.
Well, from here on, it may be an uphill task for the Bengal team because they only have about 7 overs to crack up. Well, that was a good ball, Sunil.
That's a good dot. This stage, power play, dot ball, very important.
The batsman
I
struggling.
think Kalairasan is bowled well, Vinit. This for his 2 overs. Nice, easy action. Hit the right line.
Struggling, Kalai.
Just over the stump. That's a good one.
Well, definitely just 2 more balls to go in this over, and that's been lofted up, and let's see what becomes of it. And falls short of the fielder, and perhaps they go for just a single.
I think Joy missed the opportunity of hitting over the boundary line. If not 6, should have gone for boundary. Vinit, full toss, juicy. Nevertheless, fielder also was he close? No, it was not close. Probably would have missed a single as well.
I think that was a good try. Last ball of the over, and last ball of the power play as well. Here's your chance.
Can Joy get a boundary?